Hi guys, welcome back. We are working today on a 2004 XC90 and customer states that the headlamp washer has stopped working. That's the high pressure jet that squirts the headlamps. Now there is a number of possibilities here. It could be that the pump itself has stopped working, it could be that there's a failure somewhere in the electrical supply to the pump. Guess we'll just follow it from the fuse box down and see what happens. So, satellite in the left hand side of the engine bay. Forgive the incoming boy racer. Front high pressure washer, fuse 15. 15 is just here. It's a 30 amp fuse, so we've got 15 and a 30. It's that one there. So let's pull the fuse. Just use the tweezers, and just in case you don't know, a little pair of tweezers like this in just about all automotive fuse boxes if you look for it. Now that fuse is completely intact. That little curl of metal in the middle there would have burned through if it was a duff fuse, so the fuse is okay. Okay, so what else have we got? Front high pressure washer, FST2. It's a mini on FST. This one. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, should have spotted that before. This is not an original Volvo relay. This is an aftermarket. Let's just pop this out of here. It's got the right number of pins at least. Seems to have got very hot at some point. That's interesting. Remember, it's the 30 amp fuse. We've got a 20 amp rated relay here. That is probably fried. Let me just grab my relay tester and we'll check that out. Okay, here we go. This is a relay tester. They need to be powered, and what it does is basically switch the relay on and off. Now, as we're in this satellite anyway, that is where you would connect a booster box to, so that goes straight to the positive terminal on the battery, and I can just earth this on, I don't know, choose any random part of the bodywork, because of course everything is negative earth. Notice the fault, indicating that the relay attached is no good. Of course, that's in this case is because we don't have a relay attached. This is a 5-pin relay. Make sure that's selected correctly. Plug it in, press test. Yeah, straight away it's detected that that is fried. Okay, just grab a spare. Okay, so here we have an original Volvo relay, same as the other ones here. And let's see if this goes in. Let me press test. Aha, good to go. Well then, that, I am prepared to bet, is the source of the problem. Somebody had stuck in an underrated aftermarket relay to replace the original one that had gone or had been pulled by a previous owner, because these things do waste a lot of washer fluid, it's safe to say, and they put the wrong one in. So let's replace that with the one that should have been in there, and hopefully that will fix the problem. To be determined. I've just switched the car on, given a quick wash of the windscreen, and straight away it did solve the problem. Great, so that's nice and easy. Just an underrated relay that had cooked itself. So I guess the lesson learned here is if you're going to replace a relay, make sure it's rated for the same as the fuse of the circuit that it is sitting in. So yeah, there you go, nice easy fix for a change. That's it for today, I guess. If there's anything else comes up, I'll drop some more videos on later on, but it is very, very hot here in the UK right now, so I'm thinking I might just go and light the barbecue instead. So I will say cheerio guys, have a great afternoon yourselves, and I'll catch you next time. Take it easy, cheers.